It's already December, and all the Christians are longing for Christmas Day.
But for the Jewish people, the celebration has come for Hanukkah again.
Then happy Hanukkah,
Merry Christmas, my friend.
we've got some candles and trees to prepare.
The Maccabeans are near.
Jesus is lighting here.
Multiple wishes and greetings to send.
Silence, silence,
Silent night, holy night. We are friends and it's alright. Rabbi and Bishop together in rhyme, sharing tradition with respect and love, bringing our own blessings, shalom and happiness now.
Merry Christmas!
Happy Hanukkah!
Bravo!